Thinking about signing up for a Fuelify card in 2026? Maybe you've seen their ads or got a message offering unbeatable fuel discounts. But is Fuelify legit, or just another scam targeting small business owners like you? Let's break it down. First off, real fuel cards from big names, think Fuelman or Fleet Cards USA, are all about helping businesses track expenses, give drivers spending limits, and save a bit at the pump. If you're dealing with a company that's charging you upfront fees before you even see a card or service, that's a giant red flag. Legit providers don't do that. Now, here's something I've noticed. Scammers love to use super aggressive sales tactics. If you're getting pressured over email, social media, or even direct messages, especially if the offer sounds way too good to be true, it probably is. Watch out for companies with no clear business address, no years in business, or a website that just feels off. Social media is a hotbed for these sketchy offers. If the only way to contact the company is through Instagram DMs or Telegram, and their site is missing, poorly written, or doesn't use HTTPS, it's time to walk away. Here's how I check. Start by searching the company name on the Better Business Bureau. Are they actually registered? Any customer complaints? Next, look for an SSL certificate on their website. That little lock in your browser bar means your info is safer. And always double-check their business registration. My verdict? Unless you can verify the company, its address, and its history through official channels, don't risk it. Stick with established fuel card providers and never pay upfront for guaranteed savings. Remember, in 2026, scammers are more creative than ever, but if you stay alert, your business stays safe. Subtitle: Always do your own due diligence before sharing financial information online.